You could conclude from this passage that art is A, always colorful, B, found only in nature, C, a matter of taste, or D, best when it is simple. Our topic sentence in this paragraph is our first sentence. What may be art to one person may not be art to another discusses our main idea, specifically that art is subjective. In other words, a piece of art that one person might enjoy is not necessarily something that another person would enjoy. Based solely on the idea that art is subjective, we can automatically eliminate A, always colorful, and B, found only in nature, as both of these are suggesting art needs to be one specific way in order to be enjoyed, which goes against the main idea that art is subjective. Even D, best when it is simple, can be eliminated. Best when it is simple is not saying art needs to be simple in order to be enjoyed, but even to suggest that it is better one certain way goes against the main idea of our paragraph. Therefore, C, a matter of taste, can be marked as our final answer, as it perfectly reflects the topic sentence and main idea of our text.